Good afternoon. My name is Marty Kaiser with Greater Orlando Realty. I'm proud to announce a new property we'll be putting on the market. The address of this property is 4728 Ainsworth Drive. It's located in the Glenhurst village of Hunters Creek. This is a very popular section of Hunters Creek. This particular property is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's just under 2,500 living area. It's been updated quite a bit, especially in the kitchen and family rooms. It's in very nice condition. The roof and the air conditioner are later model also, and I look forward to showing you this house. We're also going to have an open house this coming Saturday, which will be April 23rd from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Let's take a look inside. The first thing that you'll see as we're walking in is there's a brick paver exterior, so your driveway and all your walkways are brick paver. Very neatly landscaped, lower maintenance type of situation. We've got the double French or glass doors leading into the home. And then we're entering now, this is the entranceway. You've got a nice foyer area. Now the entire living area in this wing of the house has your tile that looks like wood, very nice, low maintenance. It goes very nicely with the other amenities. We've got a good sized formal dining room here. As you can see, there's a nice sized table that fits really 8 people comfortably, and it's segregated, so it gives you a little privacy if you're having those family gatherings or entertaining. And then that enters into your formal living room. Your formal living room is good size. It has one of the access points to the pool. I've seen other people, depending on their family configuration and such, some people have used this as a playroom if you have young children. Other times you can put a pool table here, or you can use it as a formal living room like it is. Let's take a look on this wing of the house. The first room that you'll see is what I call it's a 4-bedroom. And this is the 4th bedroom, but it can also be used as an office. It does have a full closet, so it gives you the added flexibility of using it under either function. Again, it also has the upgraded wood-like tile flooring here, and it's a nice sized room. Most of the rooms in the house, as you will see, also have ceiling fans with light fixtures. This is a split plan, meaning that the master bedroom's on a different wing. You've got your double doors leading into the master bedroom. And this is quite a large master bedroom. As you can see, you've got another access point to the pool, and you've got a big sitting area. So again, depending on how you like to utilize your space, some people use this as a computer area. Other folks use it as an exercise area with a treadmill. And then other folks use it like you see it decorated now as more of a sitting area. So that leads you into the master bathroom. It's a nice sized master bathroom. You've got a private commode area here. You've got a linen closet. You've got a lot of counter space and storage for what I would call partners' sinks. You've got one for one partner and one for another partner. You've got a sunken tub, and you've got a good sized walk-in shower. So this is a very functional and spacious master bathroom. We're going to go from here to the guest wing of the home, and we'll go down the foyer. And again, all of this flooring is your upgraded tile and wood flooring. I neglected to mention you do have a nice sized walk-in closet in that bedroom as well. So now we're in the guest wing. This is one of your guest bedrooms. I would call this bedroom number 3. Again, nice sized bedroom, good sized double closet, and pretty good sized area. You've got a large bed here, and as you can see, you still have quite a bit of space left over. We'll go from there into the other bedroom, which you could define as your 2nd or 4th bedroom, depending on how you utilize your bedrooms. Again, it's a nice sized room. You've got a good sized bed here, dresser, and again, a nice sized double closet. Then you've got your what I would call your second or third bathroom, again, depending on how you utilize it. This bathroom has been fully updated, so you've got more of a pedestal sink look. You've got upgraded tile on the wall. And then you've got a nice size shower that's got the same tile that matches. So this is, again, a very nice bathroom. We'll go from here, and this is your laundry room. Again, your laundry room now has your travertine tile look. You've got late model LG front loader washer and dryer. And then this leads into the garage. The garage is a spacious 2-car garage. As you can see, there's still some things that they're storing here, but it's plenty of room for 2 cars. You've got a pull-down attic. Again, the air conditioner is a late model air conditioner, and then you've got your panel for your fuses and such, and your water heater is over here. And we'll take a look back to the other portions of the home now. And let's take a look at your pool area and the kitchen. So we'll exit from this wing into the kitchen. You've got a full-size pantry that's quite deep, and you can store quite a bit of household goods there. And then you enter into the kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen's been fully updated. You've got very plush granite countertops. You've got updated and upgraded cabinets, a lot of storage area for your cabinets. You've got a stainless steel appliance package. You've got a nice size eat-in area over here. This is probably accentuated, but what I call your meter windows or miter windows, which give you a nice overview of your pool area. The kitchen then exits into the family room. So again, on your countertops, you can set up stools if you choose to. And again, all your flooring in this area is the nice travertine tile. And as you can see, this is quite a big family room. Depending on what type of TV setup you have, you also have 2 large walls that will accommodate any size of the flat screen TVs that you see nowadays. Let's go out to the pool area. You've got a nice sized deck. Couple highlights to point out to you. The pool was just resurfaced. In fact, it was resurfaced last week, so it's a brand new pool surface. You've got a jacuzzi tub there, or what I call a jacuzzi spa, I should say. And then you've got a nice size area that's under roof that you can set up a table here. People can relax on the weekends, or you can entertain and have barbecues, that sort of thing. Your yard is nice and private, and it's all fenced in. There's a little latch here that I'm missing right now. So this is your backyard, and it's great if you have a pet or if you have small kids that you want to play some ball with or set up a swing set out here. It's completely fenced in, and on both sides of the house you have quite a long run if you're having pets or however you set up in your household. So this house gives you a lot of flexibility. So again, the highlights of the house, it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, just under 2,500 living area with a lot of updates, late model roof and air conditioning. It's going to go on the market for $549,900. And again, we'll have an open house here this coming Saturday from 1 to 4 p.m., which will be April 23rd. And for those of you not familiar with Hunters Creek, they've got very well-regarded and highly ranked schools. We've got a public shopping center within the community, Disney Village, which has a lot of restaurants. It's a great location to the airport and Disney within about 20 minutes, and it's a highly desirable community. I hope this tour has proven informative. If you have further questions, please call me. My name is Marty Kaiser. I can be reached at 407-595-9700, or my email is marty@floridasells.com.